Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the details of the Shimano Steps FC-EM600 crank arm set. A must-have for any cycling enthusiast looking to enhance their ride. This crank arm set is designed with precision and durability in mind, featuring a 170mm length that provides optimal power transfer and efficiency for your e-bike adventures. Crafted without a chain guard, it offers a sleek and minimalist design, allowing for a lighter setup and a more streamlined look. Shimano, a leader in cycling components, ensures that the FC-EM600 delivers top-notch performance and reliability, making it an excellent choice for both casual riders and serious cyclists alike. The high-quality construction of these crank arms promises longevity and resilience, even in the most demanding conditions. Whether you're tackling steep hills or cruising through city streets, the Shimano Steps FC-EM600 crank arm set is engineered to enhance your cycling experience. So, gear up and get ready to elevate your ride with this exceptional component from Shimano. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.